Keeping your password safe from hackers is more important than ever, especially with the growing number of data breaches and cyber attacks. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to keep your password safe from hackers in just a few minutes. Stick around till the end because I'll also give you a special tool to make this process even easier. First things first, don't ever use the same password for multiple accounts. It might seem convenient, but it's a huge security risk. If one account is compromised, all your accounts are at risk. The best practice is to use a unique password for every single account. I know it sounds like a hassle, but there's a solution: password managers. Password managers will generate strong random passwords for you and securely store them so you don't have to remember everything. I've tested several of the most popular software out there, and I'll share my top pick with you in just a minute, along with a special free trial for you to try. Next, let's talk about multi-factor authentication, MFA. Enabling MFA adds an extra layer of security by requiring a second form of identification, like a text message or authentication app, when logging in. It's like adding a deadbolt to your door after you lock it. No hacker can break in without the second code, even if they have your password. Another critical step is to change your passwords regularly, especially for accounts that hold sensitive information, like your banking or email accounts. Set a reminder every few months to update your passwords and make sure they're still strong and unique. Now, about strong passwords. Avoid common words, names, or simple number sequences. A password like Mora3456 or password is an open invitation for hackers. Instead, use a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. A passphrase like MangoTree2025 is much harder for someone to guess than Apple23. Lastly, be cautious when logging into accounts from public Wi-Fi or unknown devices. Hackers can intercept your login details when you're connected to unsecured networks. If you absolutely have to log in, make sure you're using a VPN to encrypt your connection and keep your information safe. As I mentioned earlier, a password manager is one of the best ways to keep your password safe from hackers. The software I recommend is trusted by experts and helps automate the process of creating strong passwords, storing them securely, and even autofilling them for you. If you want to follow along, I've included an exclusive free trial in the description below. It's only available to my viewers, so don't miss out on that. To recap, here's the key takeaway. To keep your passwords safe from hackers, use unique passwords for every account, enable multi-factor authentication, change your passwords regularly, create strong, complex passwords, and avoid logging in on unsecured networks. If you follow these simple steps, you'll significantly reduce your risk of being hacked. Before I go, make sure to take advantage of the exclusive free trial of the software I recommend, linked in the description below. It's a powerful tool that will make keeping your passwords safe from hackers even easier. Thanks for watching, and stay safe online.